India today also has been flashing the emergency railway numbers so that they can catch on some of the updates. Of course, it will be very difficult at this point for even families to really understand what is the status on the ground with regard to the passengers. Prema, would it be correct to say from the information coming in that there were at least more than 300 passengers on the train who boarded from Bikaner? This was and going via Patna, then to Guwahati, where it was the final destination. The incident happened here. So 300 passengers on this train, of which 12 bogies derailed and 2 to 3 have suffered, as it appears from the visuals. Maximum impact.
Yes, what we know is that around 308 passengers were said to have boarded this train, which was going from Bikaner to Guwahati via Patna, and this incident took place around 5 p.m. Around 12 bogies are said to be derailed, out of which around 4 to 5 bogies are said to have toppled over. That is what we are getting to know. Several people injured, being taken to the hospitals. The doctors and other staff at North Bengal Medical College have been put on alert to rush to attend to those who have been injured. And what we also know is that a high-level inquiry has been ordered already into this incident. So several factors being looked at as to see what led to this incident, which led to the derailment of this train. And the incident occurred just when the train had left, a few minutes after it had left New Domahani station. So the incident occurred between New Domahani and New Moinaguri stations. This is at North Bengal, and around 300 passengers were said to be on the train at that point in time. Back to you, Pooja.
All right, so Prema is telling us that more than 300 passengers were on board, and of course we will hope, we will pray that most of them will be able to, of course, come out safely from this tragic accident.
स्टॉल में था, उधर अचानक झटका लगा और बाकी उल्टी हो गया।
हाँ, ट्रेन कौन सा ट्रेन था?
ये गुवाहाटी एक्सप्रेस है।
कहाँ से कहाँ जाना था?
हमको जाना था ना, न्यू जलपाईगुड़ी से बंगाई को जाना था।
हाँ, तो कैजुअलिटी
तो 2-4 डब्बा पूरा बड़ी तरह से कैजुअलिटी हुआ है। 2-4 डब्बा, पीछे वाला डब्बा, आगे में भी 1-2 डब्बा।
क्यों हुआ ये?
ओवर स्पीड होगा।
एक्सीडेंट जो है, हम S1 में थे, हमारा डिब्बा तो बच गया है। बाकी अचानक जब हम धक्का लगा तब हम देखे हल्ला मच गया है, भागा दौड़ी हो गया है। तो नीचे उतर के देखा तो आगे का सारा डिब्बा, 10 डिब्बा गिरा हुआ था और बाकी हालत खराब था, आदमी गिरा पड़ा था।
Right, so the first eyewitness accounts that our reporters on the ground are bringing to you, and now we can confirm that the chairperson Railway Board, the Director General Safety are rushing to the spot. Also, the Jalpaiguri station area, and specifically the Alipurdwar Junction Railway Division senior officers are rushing to the spot. The incident that happened at about 5 p.m. Further details coming in that this was 12 coaches that have derailed, and this was the 12 bogies that have derailed of the Bikaner Guwahati near the Jalpaiguri area. And for now, of course, eyewitness accounts are telling us about the manner in which the incident took place, what was the sudden impact, and the rescue operations are on the job. Quick update again from Prema Rajaram. Prema, what about the senior officers? Because even if they leave that area, where did this happen? Is it going to be time till the senior officers manage to reach the exact spot where this accident has taken place?
The accident took place between New Domahani and New Moinaguri station, so it will be challenging for the officers, the senior officers, to reach the spot. However, they will at some point in time have to reach the spot to assess what led to this incident taking place, because 12 coaches have derailed and about 5 coaches we hear are said to have turned total, and apart from that, several people injured. What we are picking up is around 20 people are said to be injured and 3 dead. That is what we are getting at this point in time. So those who are injured are taken to the various hospitals close by, and the doctors at North Bengal Medical College have been told to be on an alert. Also, we must remember, Pooja, this is the winter season, so there could be several factors. It could be fog or other factors that have to be ascertained that led to the things going in such a manner that led to the derailment of this particular train, which was travelling from Bikaner to Guwahati and carrying around 308 passengers. So several factors yet to be ascertained as the rescue operations are on the spot, and 51 ambulances there as well. Back to you, Pooja.
দমনি ওভারব্রিজ
Right, absolutely heartbreaking visuals coming in. As you can see, 12 bogies is a big number of a passenger train 15633 Bikaner Guwahati derailed in the New Jalpaiguri area. Senior officers are rushing to the spot. Even from Delhi, the chairperson Railway Board and the Director General Safety will be rushing to Bengal where this incident has happened. Remember, there were passengers 308 who boarded from Bikaner. This was a train going via Patna, via Bengal, and eventually the final destination was Guwahati in Assam. The incident that has taken place, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already dialed and spoken to Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee about the status of the situation. Unfortunately, 3 people confirmed dead, while 20 people confirmed have received injuries.